attempting to reach Superior Court for the state of Connecticut, please hang up and dial 860-548-2700. Press pound for a district-wide clerk's office directory by last name. Press 1 for the jury office. All other callers, press 2. Wait while I transfer your call.
I pressed 2.
Federal Court, how can I help you?
Samantha, please.
Okay, give me one moment.
Who are you? This is the Hartford Federal Court. Let's see what happens.
Hi, I'm so sorry. She is actually in a meeting right now. Can I take a message and have her give you a call back?
Sure. You think she will ever call me back? Because she's never called me before.
I could certainly leave the message for her.
Okay, the message is Gail Elaine Connor is one of 5 murders this week. She's a plaintiff in my lawsuit. And the judge has never ruled on any of the plaintiff's motions. Now, there are 5,000 plaintiffs. There are 16 murders. There are 35 kidnappings and 1 recent suicide. So, for example, we have a plaintiff named Sherry Mullinax, right? She filed motions for the judge to rule on. He never ruled on any of them, and we have no answer. And now we have another one named Automatics who sent motions directly, met with the clerk. Sherry and Autumn met the clerk, handed in their own personal motions, which have never been ruled on, nor are they in the screen. So where did they go? And why do we have 16 people murdered now? Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah.
Do you have a phone number that she could give you a call back on?
Yeah, but I want a guarantee.
I mean, I could give her this message with the phone number.
Okay, 203-561-0840. And who are you? And why can't I get any answers to any motions? Because
my name is Rhiannon. I mean, I could look at your docket, but I'm not sure I could provide the answer that you're looking for.
What is your name?
My name's Rhiannon.
Rhiannon. Thank you, Rhiannon. I've never actually spoken to, what's her name, Sabrina?
You said Samantha.
Oh, Samantha. What's Samantha's last name?
We have a bunch of Samanthas. I'm not
I have to.
sure which one you're talking about.
I have to file a complaint because, I mean, this is our 16th person murdered who's a plaintiff in our case. While we wait and wait and wait. I think I have a valid reason.
Yeah, unfortunately, I can't answer that for you. So.
Well, hold on. Ready? We had a plaintiff Her name was Elizabeth Harding, okay? She lived in Danbury. She was a plaintiff. She got murdered. We called the state. The state said it was a suicide. Turns out she was beaten to death with a hammer in the back seat of her car. And that's not suicide. So we found out her husband threatened to murder her. She made a video, which we have. It's not a suicide.
Mm-hmm.
She filed paperwork in our case. And none of the motions were ruled on. Well, now she's dead. Just like Gail.
Yeah, so there's nothing. Oh, I understand what you're saying. I'm very sorry about that, but I can't.
Well, hold
what are you
on.
looking
Hold
for
on.
me to do?
Hold on. I was kidnapped. I was tortured. I'm a plaintiff. The judge did not rule on a single motion that I filed. We have 500 motions. And she's mysterious.
want me
And
to look at your
Samantha, hold on.
case,
And
or-
Samantha is disappeared, never takes my call. She's in charge of my case, and we can never get her on the phone. Why is
The
that?
judge is in charge of your case. The clerk isn't in charge of your case.
Hold on. I am collecting the evidence of these murders. And they're all suicides until I investigate on my own. Okay, I have the autopsy. I sent you the autopsy for Elizabeth Harding, and it's not in the screen. Can you explain that to me? And the judge, hold on, the judge said it was conspiracy theory. She has 3 kids. There's another lady who has 6 kids. She was murdered. You know who I'm talking about? Anna Taylor. She's a plaintiff in our case. Anna Taylor was murdered. It's not a suicide.
All right, so like I said, I could look at your case if you would like me to, but
No.
unfortunately
I
can't help you.
want to file a complaint against Samantha, and you're required to give me her name so I can file a complaint against Samantha.
Like I said, sir, there's multiple Samanthas. I'm not
Okay,
sure
which
one
one?
you're referring to.
Who's in charge of my case?
Like I said, the judge is in charge of your case.
Excuse
The clerk
me.
in
Who
charge
is
of
the
your case.
clerk who's running the lead on my case named Samantha? If I give you the case number, can you tell me who's in charge of my case?
Sure, go ahead.
222 CV 01065. Who's the clerk destroying the
1065?
motions filed in our case?
Give me 1 second, all right?
I mean, this is a criminal
My
act we're talking about here. I want her arrested.
Hold on 1 second. My system's loading.
Do you know who the last suicide is? Do you know who the last suicide was? Because it's referenced in the documents that I sent to the court. Guess what? It's not a suicide. Do you follow my reasoning here?
All right, give me 1 second, sir.
You have my case number, and you're not telling me who's in charge of mishandling the exhibits, is what you're telling me, right? How many exhibits do you show? This is evidence tampering. Iced tea with lemon. We have a lot of stuff to do, folks. We're on hold. Wow. Got this back from the court. One. Exhibit D. Joan Alexander. $204. H6. H6. Copy. Document. 1.
Hi, sir. Sorry about that. So it just took me a moment to get your case up. So this case is assigned to Judge Oliver. That's the one
Who
you're talking
is the
about,
clerk
correct?
that is appointed to this case? Because the documents are missing.
The case administrator for Judge Oliver is Sam Denault.
Samantha Denault or a man? Samantha Denault or a man?
It's a woman.
Okay. Well, where are the documents? We have our 16th murder victim.
I cannot answer that for you, sir.
Well, I need an answer. I need an
docket.
answer, in the next hour. It's 12:20.
I see on the docket that there have been orders as of just yesterday that were returned to you.
No, I'm not getting anything in the mail. Sorry. I haven't gotten anything since what? March?
Yeah, they're being mailed to the address on file for you.
Are they being scanned into the system?
They're being scanned in, but their orders are being returned to you.
So where is Miss Gail Elaine Connor's information?
I can't answer that for you, sir, unfortunately. I'm not sure.
Well, this is a federal crime.
We are just the clerk's office, and so is there anything else procedurally I can help you with today?
About the recent suicide, where are those documents?
Is there anything else procedurally I can help you with today?
Yeah, procedurally, I want you to show me the paperwork.
Well, we are on the phone, sir. I can't.
Hold on, you're not updating the docket sheet. I've never spoken to Samantha Denault. So how is she mysteriously in a meeting every time I call?
I mean, I'm sorry. I told you she's in a meeting. I'm not sure how else I can help you.
Okay, so who else is in the meeting?
I took you, sir. That I can't answer that.
It's
for
the
you.
meeting about the murder of Gail Elaine Connor.
All right, sir. I don't think there's anything else I can help you with today.
Okay. Tell her to call me. It's 12:20. I expect a call. If I don't get it, if I don't get a call, then what?
I'm not sure how long she's going to be in the meeting.
Okay. Fair enough, but she's never called me back, which is alarming, since I've left her many messages. Don't you agree?
I can't answer that, sir.
Well, you should. If you had any ethics, you would.
All right.